Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add Instagram Reels in Profile Grid. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, you will be needing just to go to your Profile Grid, and from there you can start adding and disabling uh, your shorts or Reels from the Profile Grid. So here we can go to Instagram and then go to Profile, and from here we can go to the profile grid. And if you want to remove any elements, you will need just to go to the elements, and as you can see on your main grid, you can click on it, and from here you can start adjusting your uh, elements or your reel. And basically, if you have, for example, by mistake have clicked on Instagram or hide from main grid, and you start uh, not having your reel that's appearing in the main grid, you can simply go to the Reels section, and basically it will appear here. So even if it's not visible in the main grid with all these elements, you can find it here in the Reels section or the Reels elements. And from here, when you find your reel, you will need just to click on it. And after that, you will need just to make sure to click on the 3 points icon, and you will be able to see to add to main grid. And by clicking on add to main grid, you will start having your reel that will be shown here again. So it's the same as drafts. I can see my drafts here showing on the reel, but I still cannot, or I'm not having the draft to be visible in the main grid. So simply that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.